All right, so today the point of the video is tools for the classroom. I find this very important on the first week of school, so that way you know what the heck I'm talking about whenever I ask you certain questions, okay? Or I expect you to know what's happening. Okay, so hopefully you'll reference this video whenever you need to do that. Okay, games, all right, I like to do a lot of games. I think they're very fun and intriguing. So a big one that we'll do, especially while we're virtual, is a game called Quizzes. I will assign you, if I can find it, I will assign you a link to a quiz that I've made or a quiz that I found that I liked, because let's be honest, sometimes I'm lazy and everything all works out the same. I'll give you a game code and you'll just click join a game. Okay, from there you'll enter the code, but right now I don't have a code, so I'm just going to click on this random one here. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll click start practice. I've already started this one, so instead what I'll do is click resume, and then a question will pop up. Which number is correctly written in scientific notation? You click the correct answer. Okay, and then you just move on from there. All right, and then I'll end up having you take a screenshot and submit the screenshot to Canvas, so that way I know that you completed it and everything's good to go. Okay, another one's called GimKit. We're going to focus on that one more when we're in class, because I think that it's going to be a very difficult one to do whenever we are virtual. So that will be a game for in class. It gets very competitive and you can buy power-ups and it's a lot of fun. Okay, then another one is Quizlet, which I am sure you've heard of before, especially if you've had me. Okay, so Quizlet is good for vocab. So my bio kids, this is going to be your best friend, as I'm going to have you create a lot of them. Right now we're just going to click browse. We'll go ahead and click the biology one. Again, it's just a set of flashcards. So let's just click animal science exam 1. Okay, and you'll study the flashcards. You'll memorize. Okay, lots of memorizing needs to take place in science. We learn a lot of new words all the time. Okay, you can do different things with Quizlet, which I really enjoy. So if flashcards aren't your thing, you can try out any of these, okay? A lot of times, though, if you don't have the correct spelling or word, it's going to count it wrong, which is annoying because it is the same thing, okay? There's games you can play. Match is one of my favorites. I will probably assign you match games, and what you'll do is you'll click Start Game. You'll click on one, and then you'll match it to the correct one, okay? I'm not reading these, so that's why it was wrong, okay? Don't judge me on it. Whenever you finish, the time will pop up, and I'll have you take a screenshot so that way I know you did it, and then you'll submit it, okay? That's the big thing there for Quizlet. There's also a game we can play, but again, that's going to be one that gets played when we're in class. Sorry, I know the virtual stinks sometimes. Then Kahoot. We're actually going to go ahead and try Kahoot tomorrow. It's a pretty user-friendly one. Again, it's just multiple choice as well. I'll give you a code, and we're gonna just really attempt this one tomorrow. But really, the biggest thing is that it's just multiple choice. There's a leaderboard, and who doesn't like to win? Okay, I usually always have prizes, or you get extra credit, or you can sometimes even skip out on the quiz or the test. If you know what's going on, that's always exciting. Okay, so that's it for the games for the most part. The tools that we will use is markup. This will definitely be a big thing. So if I assign you a worksheet, all you'll do is you'll just take a screenshot of the